Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. It is Tuesday and we're back here starting off once again with SPY. SPY's bouncing up and up. It's made a higher high. It's coming back down probably to test this support zone once again. I think all indications is it'll continue to bounce up from here. You have this trend line that's pushing it up, as well as the support zone it has now broken over top of. So we'll see what happens once it meets this resistance zone up here, but for now, I think it's looking bullish. Bitcoin had a nice run up over the weekend, came back for the retest, and is trying to find a support to continue upwards. I thought this trade could be a decent long, considering it broken retest, and you know, I think once it gets up to this $30,000 mark, that that resistance line is kind of scary. But until then, I think it could be looking kind of bullish. But we'll see. We'll see if the support can hold. And I will say this trade I didn't make it in time, so it's not a live trade. But I put it here just to see what would happen. So on a Forex, AUD/USD is not entered yet. I was hoping to come back for the retest, have not done so. JPY/AUD just entered, and it just met this pretty big resistance zone. It's been rejected a few times in the past, so that one's looking good so far. Euro NZD have this long ready to go, blasted this resistance zone, and it doesn't look like it wants to come down anytime soon for the retest. So we'll see if that ever works out. Euro CHF breaking retest, and it's still working its way down. Euro GBP stuck on this weird little support here for a million years, and then has finally broken down below it. So I'm gonna hope it continues to fall out to my profit target. Euro USD, I'm hoping this one will come back for the retest. Hasn't quite yet. It just seems to want to keep falling, so that may be the case. Euro CAD is trying to find support here. It's kind of struggling with it, unfortunately, but has not really shown that it's ready to break down yet. So still optimistic about that one. USD CAD was pretty solid, just quick in and out. Hit this resistance perfectly and immediately dumped out, hit my target. This is literally a copy paste of this trade back here, so pretty happy with that. It looks like it's trying to make another run up here, so if it does, I may even try and pull that trade off once again. NZD/USD breaking retest, entered, it's on its way down. CAD CHF, still waiting for this to hopefully jump up into profit. It's kind of stuck in drawdown here. This wasn't a great zone to buy at, it looks like, and considering the downward trend of this, probably wasn't the best trade. But we can still hold out. Crazier things have happened in the market. Gold breaking retest in the resistance zone, and it worked out pretty nicely. Pretty happy with that. And my profit target set pretty perfectly because didn't go too much farther down before reversing the other way. AUD CAD is this trade right here. Just break and retest. Kind of went deep into my deep into drawdown there. Almost hit my stop loss, but ultimately came out victorious. And AUD NZD still trying to hold out for this one too. Turn around and reject at this resistance zone, but I did kind of run straight through it there for a minute. So We'll see if that one holds on. GPUSD waiting for rejection, hopefully. Break and retest. I think it's a pretty solid break, so just gotta hope that the resistance has enough selling pressure to push it down. NZD CHF was hoping for a retest here, but just went too far down too fast, and I don't know if it'll come back anytime soon. CAD JPY break and retest on the resistance zone. So just I like this one because JPY has been pumping just insanely hard the past week or so. So I kind of wanted in on the uptrend there. Have my target just right at that weekly zone, so I'd like to be out right around there, so I don't, price doesn't get rejected and then go straight to my stop. So hopefully that one works out there. USD JPY, another one I think could be a solid long if this insane JPY uptrend continues. So that's all for today. Make sure to leave a comment what you guys been trading, and hit that like and subscribe on your way out. Thanks.